This is Jonathan with Van Windows Direct, and today we're going to take a look at model number AW3310. This is going to be a crank out awning bunk window. It's going to feature a matte black finish, solar privacy glass with a 17% allowable UV filtration. The outer dimensions are going to be 34 3/4 by 11 3/4, and your cutout dimensions on this one are going to be 33 5/8 and 10 5/8. It's going to come with an interior trim ring or clamp ring. It would be a 1/8 inch wall, so that means it's going to go directly to the sheet metal wall of your van. To seal it off, you're going to get a 3M UV coated foam, and of course you'll have your bag of screws in here to attach your clamp ring. The foam will go on the exterior frame on the back side. This will wedge between the wall of the van and the frame, and once the trim ring is tightened from the inside, give you a nice watertight seal. Since we're on the interior side, you'll see nice matte finish on the framework on the inside as well, so very clean framework on this window. You have a T-handle down here. Crank it out. This glass panel is going to stick out just about 3 inches, 3 1/8. So you're going to want to make sure on the passenger side that you have a minimum of 3 inches of space between the wall and your door. That way you can avoid any interference. Crank this back in, and you don't have to go all the way out to 3 inches. You can crank it out just a small amount or all the way up to 3 inches. To clean your glass, you can remove the full bug screen that's on the inside. You have tabs here. The Velcro is very secure, so you're going to have to give it a good snug pull. You have the notch in the bug screen for the T-handle, and you can remove it here. Clean your glass. Simply place it back into its insert. Velcro it back down. With a one-piece trim ring, no split, so it gives a much cleaner appearance on the interior side, and that's how it will look completed. And again, this is model number AW3310 from Van Windows Direct. There'll be a link in the description to get more information and to purchase today. Thank you.